Hello, this is the work performance event course preparation video. We are at Station 1 where we begin. We have a 24-foot two-section ladder that should be fly away. So when we set it down, if it falls over, it falls away from the person on the course. The blue tape on the ladder should be up. So when we place it, the blue tape goes over the T. This is where we bring the ladder to. If we have access to this CPAT box, that's fine. If we don't, that's fine, but it should go near the X where the participant will set the ladder down. Just make sure this area is free and clear. The next is the ladder raise. We need to make sure that it's down. It's a very good idea to raise it and lower it to test the safety system, make sure it's working. From there, we have the raise, the extension. We just want to give it a pull, make sure it's going to work, and that the rope is not going to break. For the strike station, we need to make certain that the cumulative force device is fully collapsed. Tighten this up, give it a push, make sure the battery is disconnected. Get the axe, lean it against the device. It should be good to go. At the equipment carry station, we want to make certain that the handles are out. For easy grabbing, doesn't matter which saw is in which location, as long as the handles are out. For the ladder climb section, we want to make sure that the saw area is free and clear. We're going to move any other equipment that's in our way out of the way. The ladder climb is placed by raising a little bit and then pulling the feet out. Just get it close, climb, make sure it's safe. We're good to go. We have one cone that's important that goes in this blue square, so the firefighter will be walking around on their way to the hose station. For hose advancement, this is the pattern that the hose needs to be set up for. Just not in a knot with the nozzle on or near the blue line. The easy setup method is to advance it and then pull it back manually. It sets up nicely that way. When they advance the hose, the nozzle is supposed to end up in or near this box on the floor, so we make sure that's clear before we start. The next station is crawling through the maze. We want to make sure the data collection table is out of the way. And that the entrance is free and clear so a firefighter in gear can make his way in. It's also a good idea to take a peek to make sure there are no obstacles. As they're crawling through the maze, it's a good idea to check the hose to make sure that it's across the blue line, because that's where they go when they come out of the box. They're told to get behind the blue line and pull. Sometimes the hose gets kinked, you set it up for them. The next station is the hose carry up the stairs. Make sure the table is set up like this. Get the hose across the table comfortably so it's open towards the person on the course. Another good measure is to test the handrails before the first person gets up here. You know how everybody leans on them. You don't want to have any accidents. It's nice and stable. Okay, the next station is the monitor machine. I'm going to make sure you have at least 2 pike poles. It's a good idea to exercise each part. Make sure it's not going to fail on the first person. We're good to go. The last station is the dummy drag. We want to position the mannequin behind the yellow line. It's a good idea for it to be in the left lane. So when they go around the barrel and come back, they're not backing up into the stairs. Hi there, this video is to demonstrate how to proctor a firefighter completing the work performance event. First thing to do is to make sure that they're ready to go and not quite on air. I'm going to glance over at my code timers, make sure they're ready, and if they're ready, I'll have the firefighter go on air and take a couple breaths. Go ahead, connect. You're ready to go, everything's working. I'm going to coordinate with my code timers. 3, 2, 1, go. Pick that up, advance it down to the other mark. Set the ladder down on the floor. Lean it against the box. If it falls, let it. Raise the ladder in a controlled fashion. Extend and lower in a controlled manner. Walk to the forcible entry station. When you get there, you'll take at least one knee and you'll deliver 7 fire ground strikes. I will count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set the axe down. Walk straight to the equipment cabinet. Grab 2 saws and advance to the ladder climb. Straight to the ladder. You set one saw down in the blue box, carry the other saw up the ladder, at both feet on the blue rung. Stop, come down. Pick up the saw, return them to the cabinet. Both saws go back in the cabinet. Come this way. I'm going to go around the outside of this cone. Come back towards me. We're going to the hose advance. Pick up the nozzle and advance to the start point. Bringing the hose this way. To place the nozzle in the red box where we started. I'm going to crawl through the maze. Come over past the blue line, take at least one knee. Pull the hose back, hand over hand. Get the nozzle past the blue line, stand up, come towards me. We're going to go around this blue cone. We're going to the stair climb. Pick up the hose pack, carry it however you like, 3 trips, all the way up, all the way down. Touch each step. That's 1. It's 2, one more trip. Put the hose back on the table. Come this way, come towards me. We're going to go to the far side of the monitor machine. Around that cone, step inside. Grab a pike pole, 3 ups, 9 downs, all the way up, all the way down. I'll count them out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hang up the pike pole. Walk straight to the mannequin. Pull the mannequin however you like, around the blue barrel and back. Time.